Hi, I'm Dr. Vincent Bellonzi, and I want to talk a little bit about plasticity. The body has been found to be very plastic. Now, I'm not talking about chemical plastics. The reason we talk about plastic being moldable is because you can make something out of either petroleum products or you can use other even organic chemicals, but you can have something that is a plastic. It can package things. It can be molded into different even tools. I'm not talking about that when I talk about the body, but I'm talking about the characteristic of the plastic. The body is plastic. It's not long ago that scientists believed that you could not grow new muscle cells. The body of evidence was there that you could not grow new fat cells, that they would be set for life after growing at a certain point, that your nerve cells couldn't regenerate. And all this has been turned right around because scientists are finding that the body, in fact, can grow new muscle cells. The body can, in fact, create new nerve cells, new bone cells. You can lose fat cells. You can make new ones. The body is very, very plastic. And that plasticity is actually a response to the lifestyle that you lead. If I use my neurons, my nervous system, it becomes very big and transmits real good messages. If I don't, then degeneration occurs and I can't transmit things. So several studies have shown that simply using your mind, especially as the years go by, can help maintain and even improve on neural function. You can think better and have your brain function better if you exercise it. Even more so if you exercise the body. So the plasticity occurs as an adaptation. Nerves will grow bigger if you use them. If I'm thinking, if I'm doing things, and I'm running a nerve pathway, that pathway will grow in size. I'll increase something called trophic flow. The nerve grows bigger. I make new neurons. I make new synapses. I basically create a new neural network because my body's making an adaptation to my lifestyle. If I don't keep a more active lifestyle, then my body's going to allow degeneration to occur. I'm going to actually prune those nerves. They're going to lose their myelin coating. They're going to shrink down in size, and they're not going to transmit signals as well. And the same goes for bone and ligament and tendon and everything in your body, even your internal organs. You do, in a sense, change them because you can grow new cells. Some of them regenerate very quickly, others a little slower. But depending on how you use your body, you can remold it. You can rebuild it. You can have a new body to live in. So learn how to adapt your body by having a lifestyle that creates adaptation. If we're talking about the plastic ability of the brain, then use your brain. You want to do some things rather than just sit and watch TV. You've got to get out there. You've got to read books. You've got to move. You've got to sense. You've got to feel. You've got to use your brain neurons. Then your brain grows to where it functions better. If you don't, you will lose mental function. This is well proven. And if you actually do exercise, they've shown that that increase in function and structure actually is more advanced. They've had Parkinson's patients. They've had people with Alzheimer's, even seeing some repair in those advanced conditions. But how about avoiding those problems? By keeping your neural network healthy, by keeping large nerves that are myelinated well. That's how we learn, is by building big nerves and putting a myelin coating on them. And they actually transmit, it facilitates a better signal. So use it or lose it. You are plastic. And if you understand that, you can build a fantastic body. If you ignore it, you're going to have problems. This is Dr. Vince Bellonzi. Learn how to live healthy.